temperature-dependent sex determination. Species of all types of animals have genotypic sex determination, like people do. Many reptiles, rather than having XY, XX chromosomes, exhibit the ZZ and ZW karyotype, wherein females are the heterogametic sex and males are the homogametic sex. However, some reptiles don't use a genotypic determination system, and instead, the sex of the offspring is determined by incubation temperature. Temperature-dependent sex determination occurs in all crocodilians, almost all turtles, and some lizards. For example, take case 1 from the textbook. At the highest temperature range, the offspring turn out 100% male. Then, as temperature decreases, the scale rapidly reverses, and suddenly, all the offspring turn out female. At the pivotal temperature in the center, which sometimes only spans less than a degree, the offspring could become either male or female. In select species of crocodile, lizard, and turtle, case 3 from the textbook is exhibited among other patterns. In case 3, 100% of offspring become female at low and high temperatures, and males only gain the majority in the center temperatures. Temperature-dependent sex determination is thought to be caused by the effect of temperature on aromatase, an enzyme that converts androgens into estrogens, or male hormones into female hormones. Aromatase levels are high in developing ovaries and low in developing testes. A special case involves a species of Australian lizard, whose sex can be determined genotypically and by temperature. Males are usually genotypically ZZ and females ZW, but a study found that nearly 20% of ZZ individuals were female. How is this possible? It turns out that a ZZ individual incubated at a higher temperature experienced a sex reversal. Interestingly, if two ZZ individuals mate, one being phenotypically male and the other phenotypically female, the sex of their offspring is determined solely by temperature, as the offspring will only have the ZZ phenotype. Species exhibiting temperature-dependent sex determination include the red-eared slider, snapping turtles, and leatherback sea turtles. Crocodiles including the alligator, the Nile crocodile, and the saltwater crocodile, which is all of them. The lizards, including the leopard gecko and the bearded dragon, as well as the New Zealand tuatara. In certain patterns, temperature-dependent sex determination is thought to allow more females to be born early in the nesting season, as females would most likely benefit from having bigger bodies when everyone else is born. In the most stressful situations, like in an early winter, the males only have to live long enough to mate, but the females have to stay around and produce eggs.